about 3-hour drive, we are taking a bathroom break and we'll be getting a snack here at In-N-Out.
Gawad ng In-N-Out ng kaya. Kailan kaya tama?
And we're back on the road.
Take the next right toward Lenwood Road, then turn right onto Lenwood Road. In a quarter mile, use the right two lanes to take the I-15.
That is the Allegiant Stadium, home stadium for the Las Vegas Raiders. And we're actually here, we're in Las Vegas, we're less than a mile to Las Vegas Boulevard.
Yeah, right? Di ba papunta yung kaya?
Right now, we're making a turn to Las Vegas Strip. And this is the Las Vegas Strip.
I think sabi fountain. Tingnan si Caesars, huh?
So this is our hotel, the Venetian. This is the front desk and we are in line to check in. There's a lot of people checking in and it's quite a long line. It is about 8:30 p.m.
You're right here, and you have to take this elevator. Look at it, right? Are you ready? We're bringing up to the Venetian lobby. And there you're gonna take a left down the hall.
Closes an exam.
Is there a way that you could change our room? Is there a way that you could change our room close to the...
Yeah. More likely, no, but I can take a look anyway. All the two things are already taken already.
So how do we get, if we have our luggages, how do we get here?
In the Venetian lobby. That's the parking elevator. It's the same elevators over there.
Oh, this is the food court?
No. This is the elevator for the parking ground.
On that side?
Over there too.
This is just one tower, right?
This is one tower right here.
Because we came from that side.
I understand that.
So we can we go from that side before luggages on that side?
Yeah, you just take the it says Venetian Tower on there. You see that up there? You see that? In the elevator for the parking garage, there's two sets of elevators. One is for the Venetian lobby.
Or we have to take the Venetian luggages?
So it's the same elevator. You can go this way there and hit the elevator. You go this way, you still go to the elevator. You go to the same elevator.
Thank you.
After a long search, we finally found our room. And it's dinner time. This is Filipino sausage or longanisa, and this is beef steak. Ayan. We always bring our food whenever we go here or when on a road trip.
Buta nga akong bubusitan mo ko, ako man magbusit eh. Singan mo ko pre. Si Jan may pa itasulog. Diba?
Medyo marunong bagyan. Tanda ko na yung marunong dyan.
How many different dumplings are you making at the restaurant? Normally, 300 baskets. It's about like about 1,000 pieces. 12 pieces. One of the greatest things about this restaurant is how Chef Alex spectacular, wildly creative flavor combinations when it comes to dim sum. It's like the steamer. Look at this. You get this little handle on here, right?
Enjoy ka ng buklat pang matari sila.
This is our 12th annual Vegas Uncorked by Bobby T. With a beautiful little goodie bag and a memory, and hopefully when they come back to the video one time when I came to Vegas Uncorked.
I think a lot of people take for granted all of the work that goes into building a proper cocktail, and so many times we don't appreciate what the bartender does behind the bar. And we use the craft cocktails, the cocktail itself, as a tool basically to engage with.
Hi everybody, I'm Chef Tyler Florence, and we are here at the Venetian Resort, right in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip.
Anong kinakain mo, It's the morning of day 2 and we're having breakfast.
Anak ko kakunubot ko. Enjoy. Kasi nga ko na sana Jojo.
Manyaman ng ganisa ka ng skillless.
Ano gusto mo eh?
Finish. Finish na. Finish.
Thank you, Joya mo.
Ako naman yung shake mo yun, no? Abang malamig.
Ay, ba't sa paminom mo paano na ako to? Gusto mo yung Thank you, Joya mo. Hoy, wala ka mabiyasang pa thank you eh.
We're ready to go out and took our time to prepare and just relax here in the room. And it is about 3 p.m. now. So off we go. So it's really a long walk from our room going to the hotel lobby or the parking garage. But at least the hallway is really nice. Look at how fancy this hallway is. We are in the parking garage and waiting for the car. Oh, here it is. So our plan for today is to go to Resorts World. We wanted to check out their street food, and since this is a brand new resort, we wanted to see it. Resorts World parking structure is separate from their main buildings, so we had to walk in order to get there. Upon entering, we already see the famous street eats. And let's go check it out. This Manila-themed stall called Pepita's Kitchen has lechon, and I think that's their signature dish, the lechon. And we got food from different stalls just to try it out. And we're done eating, and after this I think we're just gonna go walk around and check out Resorts World to see what they have. After spending couple of hours at Resorts World, we're going back to the hotel. It's almost 8 p.m. We just remembered that we need water, so before going back to the room, we're gonna go to Walgreens to pick up some water. Walgreens is just beside Venetian, so it's really close to our hotel, but we still have to go out to the strip in order to get to Walgreens. We got the water, just need to pay. Back to Venetian, and this is the long walk to our room. It's about 8:20 p.m. Almost 10 p.m. now. And we are just taking a rest here in the room. Me and John got hungry, so John will be eating the cherries, but I have to remove the seeds first, otherwise he won't be eating it with the seeds in it. And I'll be eating the leftover from Resorts World. It is almost 11 p.m. and we are going to Caesar's Palace to buy food at Halal Guys. They used to have it here in Venetian, but I don't know, they closed the one in Venetian and they now have it at Caesar's Palace. I checked Google Maps and they're still open and not closing until 2 in the morning, so we still have time. We are now inside Caesar's Palace and we're still trying to find Halal Guys. There is a free show here at Caesar's Palace during the day featuring these statues, and these statues move during the show. We've been walking for an hour trying to find Halal Guys. This better be worth it. So we finally found it, but they said they're closing at midnight and I got in line at 11:45. But if you say you're closed at midnight, if I get here before
I explained to you, if you can get up there before midnight, we're gonna help you, okay? But if you can't get up there by midnight, we can't help you. I just don't want you to stand here and not be able to make it up there. You know what I mean? But we're gonna try to get you in.
So I was very disappointed that I was not able to get it after walking for almost an hour just for this. I think if they're saying they're closing at 12 and you get in line before 12, I think they should still be able to accommodate you. I was so mad that even though we have one more full day here in Las Vegas, I'm not gonna go there anymore. So moral of the story, don't trust Google Maps. So we just end up here at Panda Express since it's on the way. Teriyaki chicken. And also grab some pizza. We got back at 1 a.m. and just ate the food we bought here.